Hello everyone, it's Andrew from Social Brain Dynamics. In this video, I'm going to show you a few tools that you can use to help with your writing. So in some of our recent articles, I've discussed readability. And on the screen here, we've got a great tool called the Hemingway app. So all you need to do is type in hemingwayapp.com, and this is a great way to check your writing for readability. So here I have a document from found online. You can see here this is the first page of a company strategy, and this is actually the what everyone should read, so for the general public. And if you look at this, it's quite a complex thing to read, large words, long sentences. And when I do the test for the readability, it comes up at grade 15. So when you look at grades, the higher the grade, the more difficult it is to read. So if I copy this text, and what I'll do is I'll paste it into the Hemingway app. You can just remove this text, plonk it in there, and what you'll see is it gives a readability score. It says poor. So postgraduate means that 14 and above is above year 12, 13. Looking at postgraduate university student can understand. Now remember, for Australia, our data suggests from the 2013 census that 40% of Australians, adult Australians, cannot read at a year 9 level and above. So when you're pitching and writing your stuff to the general public, aim to have it below 9. So this text we can change, and what I'll do is I'll show you how I've adjusted it. Down here I've made it a bit more simplistic, and I'll plonk it into good old Hemingway. Remove this text and paste it here now, and you can see that the score is now sitting at 7. I can even make it easier. So you'll assume in the strategy that you already have the dates there, so you don't really need to duplicate your efforts. So if I remove that, you'll see it now makes that sentence a bit easier to read. Similarly here, I can actually I can remove those aspects, so I can talk about it later, or don't need to talk about it. Up to now it's grade 6, and down here, boutique size events, you can see there's a conjunction. We'll remove that, make that a sentence, grade 6. We can even remove that if you need to. So it's a fantastic tool to help with your writing, to make it easier to understand. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check us out on socialbraindynamics.com. Have a great day.